Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm really excited. I have a brand new subscription for you. I've never had this one. It's by Look Fantastic. It's their beauty box. I haven't even opened it to see what's inside, but I signed up because I got this box free for signing up for 3 months, so I thought I would give it a shot. It looks promising. The unboxing that I looked at was really good. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. If you want to go ahead and take a second to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, I would really appreciate it. Okay, so I just opened it, and on top there is a little booklet. It says tips, reviews, products, interviews. This is the Retreat edition. Okay, so it looks like I got the oh my goodness, September 2020 box. So here it is. And then I guess in here, like it says, it'll tell us about the products. So when you move that, this is what it comes packaged like. It's really cute. Let's go ahead and just rip it open. Something smells really good. Okay, so on top here, okay, soft hair wrap. Okay, so super absorbent hair towel. So for after you get out of the shower. And it looks like it's just one of those like hair turban type things. Go ahead and open it. Ooh, okay, it feels really nice. It's nice white. And I believe the brand is Glove. It's gonna be backwards, but you get the idea. So it's a nice size. I think it'd be good because I have one, but it's smaller. So I think this would be great for, you know, if you have longer hair. My hair's pretty short. Well, medium, I guess you'd say. But okay, that looks fun. At the end, I'll go through the booklet and see if there's like prices or anything. Okay, so next, oh, there's a sticker stuck to it. Okay, next we have an overnight foot cream. Okay, that's interesting. I've never heard of one of those. Let's open. Okay, so there's a safety seal. Oh, I guess I should show you, huh? Overnight foot cream. Maybe that's what I'm smelling. Oh, yeah. It's very... Let's see what's in there. It kind of feels like essential oils. I don't know much like what the scent would be, but there's a decent amount in there. It's not really quite as full as, you know, I would hope for it to be. That's not bad, I guess. Kind of is. I'm not gonna lie. But okay, that's fine. Okay, so next we have from Starskin the Eye Catcher Smooth Biocellulose Eye Masks. Oh, I love under eye masks. I'm gonna use these probably tonight. Okay, so you know, you just put those on underneath your eyes. And next we have, okay, Earl Grey Bath Tea. Ooh, it's by Bubble Bath and Body. So I guess it's called bath tea, but it's bath salts. I don't know, maybe I'm just not catching what it actually means. So that'd be fun. I mean, there's not, you know, there's enough for a couple baths in here, I would say. Okay, and then last we have something from, it's called By Terry. That's what the sticker was from. Let's see. Okay, I can't read it. Let's see if this is a lip gloss or something. Yeah, they say it's a lip gloss, just kind of a clear, frosty lip gloss. Not a bad size. Okay, and that is it. So let's go through and look at the booklet. Sorry, I thought somebody was here. Okay, so the Glove hair wrap is worth $14.99, suitable for all hair types. Where'd it go? The night foot cream, overnight foot cream, retails for 8.10 euros, I believe that sign is. So more about the box. This is actually not, I think it's out of Canada. I guess I should probably tell you more about the box. Sorry, I haven't done a new unboxing in so long. But I'll try to get some more information and leave it in the description box. So next we have this travel-friendly version of By Terry Signature Lip Balm. Combines luxury and protection. Okay, so use alone or under lip products for a smooth application. Apply over lipstick for a glossy finish. So it's just like a lip gloss. And then we have the Star Skin. They're worth, I think it's euros, 4.25 euros. Like I said, this isn't in American dollars. I think this is from Canada. It doesn't say. Okay, and then we had the Earl Grey Bath Tea. It's formulated to relieve any aches and pains for the ultimate relaxing treat. So it's like Epsom salts, I guess, like scented Epsom salts. Okay, and I think that was it. Oh, and then the towel. So that wasn't too bad. You know, I mean, like I said, I didn't have to pay for this one. So not bad for free. I'm going to be completely honest. I'm not like blown away by this box just because it's not really catered towards, I guess, my favorite products. But I am really interested in trying them, like the overnight foot mask, and, you know, it'd be nice to take a bath with these, and, you know, these are nice. But, you know, if that's something you're into, then this is great. I'm really excited to see what my next box will be. Because sometimes I feel like when they do these deals, it's just kind of to get rid of maybe a box that didn't sell well or something. But that's it. Let me know what you think in the description, or I'm sorry, in the comments. You can't do anything in the description box. That's for me. Okay, well, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.